This 2017 Forest River Forester 3051S Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Forest River Forester 3051S Ford is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.